One thing I always bring up in my orientation is the CSA score. Lights, tires, and brakes. The tires are the foundation of our vehicle. The first thing that the DOT is going to notice when you pull up into a scale is that you might have a marker light out on it, or you got low tires, or you got bald tires, or your brakes are squealing, or something else is going on. Make sure that you're doing good pre-trip and post-trip inspections. You're our first line of defense. It's your job to make sure this equipment is in good, safe operating condition. When you're unable to take care of that, you let maintenance know, and it's our job to take it over and make sure it's right. But without you reporting what's wrong with the truck, without you inspecting to find out what's going on with your truck, we won't know. So just please, make sure you're doing good post and pre-trip inspections. Make sure the motoring public is safe around you, make sure you're safe around them, and make sure you get home with a good, solid piece of equipment ready to roll the next time you go out. So thank you very much.